What is the metaverse and what future does it have? In this video, we cover everything about the metaverse, including its definition, infrastructure technologies, education and universities, gaming, commerce, the future, ethics in the metaverse, privacy, challenges and criticisms, and recommendations for users, companies, and governments. Stay with us. Chapter 1. Introduction. 1.1 Definition of the Metaverse. The term metaverse comes from two words, meta meaning beyond, and universe meaning world. It was first introduced by Neal Stephenson in his 1992 science fiction novel Snow Crash. In the metaverse, people can interact using digital avatars in a three-dimensional virtual environment. These spaces are created using advanced technologies such as virtual reality, VR, augmented reality, AR, blockchain, and artificial intelligence, AI. 1.2 Importance of the topic. With the expansion of digital technologies, the metaverse concept has gained more attention and holds the potential to become the next generation of the Internet. Many major tech companies, including Meta, formerly Facebook, Microsoft, and Google, have invested heavily in this field. The metaverse is not only an entertainment space, but also a platform for education, commerce, social interactions, and even policymaking. Chapter 2. Infrastructure Technologies of the Metaverse. 2.1 Virtual Reality and Augmented Reality. VR immerses users in a fully digital environment, while AR overlays digital elements onto the real world. These technologies provide immersive and interactive experiences in the metaverse. VR, AR headsets, and glasses are key tools for entry. 2.2 Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning. AI powers smart avatars, real-time translation, user behavior analysis, and even world building in the metaverse. By learning from user actions, AI engines deliver personalized experiences. 2.3 Blockchain and Digital Assets. Blockchain ensures proof of ownership, data security, and transactions in the metaverse. Assets such as virtual land, digital clothing, or artworks are recorded as NFTs, enabling trade and transfer. 2.4 Internet of Things. IoT. IoT enables real-world objects to connect with the metaverse. For example, physical sensors can transfer room temperature into the virtual world, or metaverse commands can control real devices. 2.5 Cloud infrastructure and edge computing. To process metaverse data in real time with minimal latency, cloud servers and edge computing are vital. These infrastructures allow massive data to be processed efficiently. Chapter 3. Education in the Metaverse. 3.1 Virtual Schools and Universities. The Metaverse provides an innovative platform where students can join digital-physical hybrid classrooms. Universities like Stanford and MIT have already experimented with virtual courses. 3.2 Simulation-based learning for technical skills. With realistic simulations, students can safely practice in labs or workshops. Medical skills such as surgery can be trained precisely in the metaverse. 3.3 International Interaction and Language Learning. The metaverse enables cultural exchange and language learning in dynamic, practical environments with people worldwide. 3.4 Advantages and Challenges in Metaverse Education. Advantages include interactivity, visual appeal, accessibility, and lower costs. Challenges include infrastructure requirements, data security, and lack of educational oversight. Chapter 4. Gaming in the Metaverse. 4.1 Transformation of Online Games. Games evolve from simple entertainment to social and economic ecosystems. Roblox and Fortnite are examples where users create and own content. 4.2 Ownership of in-game assets, NFTs. Items such as outfits, weapons, or digital land can be stored as NFTs, granting users real ownership. These assets can be traded freely. 4.3 Game economy and play-to-earn models. The concept of play-to-earn is increasingly popular. Users can earn income by playing, creating, or renting virtual assets. 4.4 Social participation and digital communities. The Metaverse supports digital societies with unique cultures and rules, enabling friendships, group participation, or even virtual governance. Chapter 5. Commerce in the Metaverse. 5.1 Digital stores and brands. Brands like Nike, Adidas, and Gucci have established virtual stores. Users can buy digital items or even place real-world orders via immersive experiences. 5.2 Advertising in virtual environments. Advertising becomes fully interactive with digital billboards, live promotional events, and virtual expos. 5.3 Financial services, virtual banking, cryptocurrencies. Banks and crypto exchanges are entering the metaverse. Users can use digital wallets, take loans, or invest. Cryptocurrencies are the main medium of exchange. 5.4 Virtual meetings, expos, and conferences. Companies can host official meetings, trade shows, and international conferences in the metaverse with lower costs and higher efficiency. Chapter 6. The future of the metaverse. 6.1 Future scenarios. Predictions range from complete integration into daily life to becoming a parallel world with independent economies and politics. 6.2 Economic and career opportunities. Fields such as digital design, VR engineering, metaverse software development, and virtual asset management are emerging professions. 6.3 Impact on lifestyle and social interactions. The metaverse may transform work, education, shopping, gaming, and socialization. Geographic distance will no longer hinder communication. 6.4 The role of governments and regulators. Governments must establish new laws for digital ownership, cybercrime, taxation, and privacy to regulate and oversee the metaverse. Chapter 7. Ethics in the Metaverse. 7.1 Digital identity and user responsibility. Multiple digital identities raise ethical concerns about honesty, accountability, and deception. 7.2 Addressing unethical behavior. Harassment, discrimination, and virtual violence can be as harmful as in real life. Platforms need strong monitoring and reporting systems. 7.3 Justice and equality in virtual space. Equal access to technology, non-discrimination, and fair treatment are key ethical principles. 7.4 Intellectual property and user rights. Protecting user-created works, granting copyrights, and preventing digital theft are major challenges. Chapter 8. Privacy in the Metaverse. 8.1 Data mining and user tracking. Metaverse platforms can collect vast amounts of behavioral and biometric data, requiring transparency and user control. 8.2 Protection of personal information. Identity data, conversations, transactions, and preferences must be encrypted and safeguarded. 8.3 Security challenges and cyber threats. Hacking, identity theft, and phishing pose greater risks since users are deeply tied to digital identities and assets. 8.4 Legal and technical solutions for security. Encryption, multi-factor authentication, international data protection laws, and anti-hacking technologies are essential solutions. Chapter 9. Challenges and criticisms. 9.1 Addiction to virtual worlds. Excessive use may cause mental and physical issues, especially in children and teens. 9.2 Detachment from reality and social isolation. Overuse can weaken real-world connections and reduce social belonging. 9.3 Energy consumption and environmental impact. Running servers, blockchains, and VR requires massive energy and may harm the environment. 9.4 Monopoly by big tech companies. Corporations like Meta, Google, and Apple may gain monopolistic control, concentrating power. Chapter 10. Conclusion. 10.1 Summary of key points. The metaverse is an emerging but crucial concept that could transform the future of technology, human interaction, and economic structures. 10.2 Importance of preparedness. Users, educational institutions, and governments must prepare for responsible, informed, and secure entry into the metaverse. 10.3 Recommendations for stakeholders. Users, stay informed and protect privacy. Companies, focus on ethical and transparent design. Governments, develop comprehensive laws and ensure justice and security. Final conclusion. The metaverse offers an unprecedented opportunity to reshape digital life. Despite its many advantages, it requires careful, ethical, legal, and technical management. Its future depends on how responsibly and wisely we engage with it. If approached thoughtfully, we can build a virtual world that is creative, safe, and humane. Support us with your subscriptions, likes, and encouraging comments so we can keep creating with even more passion and purpose. Every thought you share means the world to us.